Squad, welcome back to another vlog. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail and the intro, we are in Paris, France. And I'm so excited and grateful and really glad to be here. I got this call yesterday morning, yeah, saying you're going to France, have fun, da 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 da. And I was like, thank you very much. And that was really it. And then almost 13 hours later, we are in France. We are in Paris. The flight was only 6 hours and about 22 minutes. Just from the time I found out to the time I am now here, that's how long it took. So I'm gonna do a quick little room tour, and I'm gonna go sightseeing with my crew member and one of her best friends. And I really hope you guys enjoy, so let's go. When you come on into the room, to the right, you have a closet with your ironing board, your iron and hangers. And then there's also a full body mirror, which is perfect. Hi guys. And I believe when you pull it this way and you pull the other full body mirror, which is right here, the opposite direction, it reveals more storage space. Then immediately to the left, you have the shower, which the lighting is pretty low in here. So if you're not seeing it that well, which I hope you are, then you can see how beautiful it is. It's so tiny, but it's so chic as well. This is your mirror, your little vanity area, and they have a private bathroom, like private toilet area, which is nice. And obviously you have your privacy with this little door, the sliding door. That's what it looks like. And then the bedroom. The bedroom. I really like this light fixture. I think it's really nice. I don't know. It's giving Bottega drop earrings. And if you know, you know. I really like it. It's really pretty and it's sturdy. And then that's really the room, your typical bed, your typical TV setup, your table, the coffee, everything that you see in a hotel room. And then of course the view. I don't really have the bestest view. I do have some Parisian style buildings outside my window, but unfortunately, fortunately I guess, the window doesn't open that much. But if it was a balcony, it would have been a great view of these Parisian style buildings. And that's really it. So I will see you guys on the Bicana in Paris vlog. Alright guys, bye. Guys, I overslept. This is not the shirt I wanted to wear, but when I opened the window and the heat was blazing in, it was a no for the shirt that I wanted to wear. I'm gonna bring it because I'm probably gonna throw it over this and take pictures, but it's hot, okay? When they said it was gonna be 80 something degrees, they weren't lying. I can feel the heat through the hotel windows. But yeah, I overslept, but fortunately for me, I did my whole skincare routine. I did my whole shower, laid out, you know, everything from my bra, my panty, laid it out on the bed, my clothes, like first day of school vibes. And then I set my alarm. I was like, yup, we're meeting downstairs at 11. So I'm gonna wake up at 10:30, throw on my clothes, put on makeup, get downstairs. Girl, when me roll over because people next to me are slam their doors, and I tap my phone, 11:25. I'm like, so I just texted my crew member that I'm supposed to be sightseeing with, and she was like, what time will you be ready? And I'm like, I'm technically already ready because I did my first day of school vibes. I just had to throw on my clothes. And she gave me a whole hour, so I'm just gonna make sure my makeup looks very natural and fresh and cute. And then I'm gonna show you my outfit. So I'll be right back. Just give me a second. I'm all ready to head out. I actually have a different top underneath this blouse right now, and I need you guys' help. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm gonna play the one without the music so I don't get copyright for keep playing it. This is what the cami looks like. I have it on underneath in case I get too hot because the weather is supposed to be 86 degrees. And then the one that I have on right now, that's what that looks like. I don't know. I asked YouTube, not YouTube. I'm asking you now. But I asked Instagram to help me. So we'll see what people vote on. I got the two of them on. Either way, if it gets hot, I'm taking this off. And if it's fine, I'm keeping it on. So let's head downstairs to go meet my crew member. I hope y'all like my little makeup look. I can't wait. It's gonna be a lot of fun. It's always really nice when you have somebody else to go along with you to these places. But me, I'm a solo traveler at heart. But I'm grateful. I'm grateful that somebody wants to go somewhere with me. So let's go. Guys, we're walking to the Arc de Triomphe right now, and when I tell you we were walking, but we made it. I'm gonna show you it in a minute. It's humongous. Like, I know it's gonna be huge, but it's huge. So you can see it right here.
Okay.
We're heading to the underground. The proper way to cross the street before is to come down here and then come back up. But we definitely ran across the road, and the police was like, no, this is how you do it. But he was so kind, giving us directions and all these nice things. Guys, look at this Japanese gin bottle. It is so cute. Ooh, cute. Japanese gin. Very nice. There's a lot of people. Not the Hennessy bottle. I've never seen a Hennessy bottle look like this. Wow. The alcoholic bottles here look really pretty. Yeah, they look really pretty. We're getting pretty close to the Eiffel Tower. It's the Eiffel Tower.
Hi. Hello. Hola.
Guys, it's the Eiffel Tower. So nice. That's about it. Thank you. Some pictures, the TikTok, the Instagrams, the YouTube shorts. We are right beneath the Eiffel Tower now, and it is actually really, really huge. Oh wow. Like, it's kind of crazy that you never expect things to be as big as they are in person, you know what I mean? Like, I know it wasn't gonna be small, but wow, it is huge. We are. Is it recording? Yeah. We are done with our meal. Oh, we crossing the wrong way, guys. Where are we going? We're done with our meal, and now we're heading to the Louvre. So, if any of you have ever been to Paris, drop a comment down below and let me know what your favorite location is, what your favorite spot is. So for anybody that may be coming here in the future, they can have, you know, a one spot that they can go for sure. And if you've never been here before but always dreamt of coming, let me know, which place are you gonna hit up first? Anywho guys, sun is hot, my hand is tired. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the Louvre. Try to catch the bus, but there's some type of strike going on, so then we decided to walk, but we started walking in the wrong direction, so that's where we're heading now. We found the right way to go and we're heading the right place. Yeah, you got to be vigilant about finding the right street, because you be walking far as heck and then you realize you're on the wrong road this whole time. So we're back on track to go to the Louvre. How this works. Okay. we did it. We're entering in the Louvre now, and I may have to only use my phone to video, so if it switches over, you know why. But guys, the Louvre is right ahead of us. It is 10:38 p.m. and I'm gonna get ready to go over to the Eiffel Tower to see it light up at 12 midnight. I need to be down in the lobby literally in 20 minutes, so thank God I already bathed and washed my face and everything. I'm just gonna throw on some makeup, fix up my edges, and throw on my outfit and get downstairs. After we watch it light up, I'm coming back and I'm going to sleep. You would not believe how tired I am. Like literally drained. In the morning, I'm gonna have to go to the supermarket because fortunately for us, we don't get picked up until 9:45. So around 7, because I want to get up like 6. Get ready, 7 o'clock, just throw on a dress and go to the supermarket across the road. Get like a bottle of wine and a croissant, maybe a baguette and some butter, some Parisian butter, and even macaroons. When I come back, I'm gonna have to try out some more pastries, but for now that's all I could do. Anyways, let me stop rambling, get dressed and I'll be right back. Guys, this is my outfit. I finally found a chance to wear the blouse. The lighting is really bad, but I'm wearing this nice skirt, this good up skirt. Let me just run the lotion over my legs. And I'm wearing these shoes. I think they're from Coach. I'm gonna show you them. I got them a long time ago. So I will not be the best person to say rate-te and rate-ta on where to get them. I need to get some more cute girl, grown-up woman flats. But these are nice. It fits the outfit and it will look good with my bag. They're from Guess. They're from Guess. And this is what they look like. So they're waiting on me downstairs. I got everything I need. Got my ID, extra oomph. And yeah, bye. We're heading to the Eiffel Tower. We're gonna see it at night, as I stated earlier. So yeah, these are the ladies and they look so amazing. We're gonna have to take the metro, but it's what, 8 rides, 8 stops?
Yeah.
8 stops on the metro. Tell them about your YouTube channel.
It's not up. It's not up.
When you come back so they can look out.
It's Vicariously K. I also do travel vlogs, carnival, anything soca, anything Caribbean.
Yes.
And then where I go from other there.
Amen, amen. So look out for when she makes her grand re-entrance to YouTube. And make sure you go and like, comment, and subscribe to all her previous videos.
Facts.
Yeah.
Disgrace. Hold it. You gotta hold it.
We are walking to the train station. And we've been walking for like an hour. I'm just kidding, but we have been walking for a while on the world's longest street. It's actually making me starting to sweat, but I'm not gonna lie, as you can see, the street is well lit, so I'm getting my money's worth, okay? I'm getting my money's worth. See? All right, I'll see you guys in a minute. Guys, look at the Eiffel Tower view from here. It is actually really nice. So we're just trying to find a nice little location and get our twinkle. And yeah.
That's large. I'm gonna check it.
Huh? Oh my god! Perfect! I feel like that came out early. Oh, it is 4 o'clock. We are ordering the pizza from this restaurant. By the way, guys, everything will be tagged in the Google Maps, so you can find all the locations and go on their websites, etc., etc. So just check the description box for that. But we are gonna order our pizza. Which pizza are you guys getting? Pepperoni pizza? It's chilly.
But when we was hustling, I didn't feel nothing.
This margarita pizza with the salami does look nice. The picture?
She said that's just the regular margarita. The
But the big old circles.
Those are tomatoes. That's what the tomato is. It's not tomato sauce, it's tomato.
Ah.
I need to sit in here.
I'm gonna be back. Water. Okay. Come back down. And boom. share our pizza with you. As our pizza is here, we got the pepperoni with spicy ham. We got extra pepperoni, and we got mine, which is the chicken and ham. So let's get right on.
Oh, yes.
Garlic?
Yes.
Thank you. I'm picking up my hand after.
Oh, this pizza looks nice. Thank you. We missed the last train because we were enjoying them pizza too good. We came over to the train and it's fenced up. Them lock the gate, guys. The gate lock. So we're about to get into a Uber and get back to our final destination. How long until the Uber comes?
It says finding a driver.
Oh, we are waiting on a driver.
But you know,
It could be quick.
It says drop of 145.
1:45? What time is it now? It is 1:30. Oh, that's not bad. So yeah, we are waiting on the Uber. And this guy, like, I don't know if you can see him in the background, kept coming over to us asking us, like, are we from... Uh-oh. There's a couple that's arguing.
Richmond Lover Passion.
You hear that? Anyways, there was a random guy over there that kept asking us where we're going. Like, this is not taken. We're... She needs... Why is he holding on to her like that? His friend is trying to stop him. And she's walking away. You recording it? You gonna send me that? Girl, I'm gonna put it up on the side so y'all can see. Pito, he's like, shit. Listen to your friend. Let me not say nothing before he come over here and start getting mad at me.
She just went from being distraught to being...
She went and found some friends. She toxic.
Away.
The two of them toxic.
And then how he pushed a friend?
He pushed
his
his
friend walking.
That's a good friend.
That's a good friend.
That's a good friend, Savannah.
It must be a drunk night.
Watch him.
Wait, what's going on? Yeah, mind them people business.
Anyways, on the next episode of Alright, guys.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you know what you want.
Back at the hotel, we got our Uber. It was the quickest Uber ride ever, like 20 minutes, not like 12 minutes Uber ride, not even. I'm just glad to be back in. I'm gonna tie down my hair and go sleep. I'm gonna actually iron my uniform first though. I'm gonna iron my uniform, tie down my hair, pack up my bag and thing, and go sleep. So thank you guys so much for watching this Paris vlog. I will see you in the morning as I try to hit up the supermarket and just hope for me that it is open so I can get some butter, the croissant, and the baguette, and maybe some macaroons if they have any. But I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning, B Squad. I am leaving Paris now, so I just want to say thank you so much for watching this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye.
We were